Yo, welcome to the Food Zone where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to Wednesday's upload. Today's a really simple breakfast taco, a soft one, and this one is made with organic ingredients, and you usually can make this for $2. So on my channel, I'm going to start showing products that you can make at home that are quality and really good for a lot cheaper than if you go to the restaurant, a deli, or if you go and buy like prepared foods. So like I said, there's going to be many things on my channel. I hope you subscribe and like it. I'm not a professional cook or a chef. I'm an amateur. I'm just like you, but we're here to learn stuff together, and we beat COVID. So let's take 2021 and start learning together and sharing recipes and learning new things. Like it's a really good rest of the year. We can excel, and like I said, on my channel, we're going to have many different things. We're going to go back and relive the past, and we're just going to have fun and everything. Like I said, I'll start appearing more in the cooks. Right now I have the studio set up, and but I'm still using the other ones. I want to just keep practicing because I was absent from YouTube for about a year. I'm not sure why, because during COVID I was home a lot, so I should have done it, but it was my mistake. We always make mistakes, and we learn from them. But yeah, a couple things on my YouTube in the future, like I said, is going to be but cheaper, or if you want to call it cheaper, where you can make quality stuff at home with yourself or with your kids at half the cost of a restaurant, prepared foods, or a deli. So why not make it at home and make it good? So let's get to that taco recipe, and I'm going to start incorporating GoPro images into my cooks. For this one, I wasn't really ready with the GoPro. This is the first time I tried it, so it's going to take me some time to practice with it. I used to be a storm chaser, so I used the GoPro all the time, but for cooking, this is new for me. So let's take this journey together. And this is Wednesday's upload. I love you. A breakfast taco, organic, for $2. Peace. Love you. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. This is going to be a new series coming to my channel where I show you how to make food for a lot less money than you would buy at a restaurant or at a deli, other stores. And if you do it at home, you get much more of a reward because you're doing it yourself. Sorry, that was a tongue twister. And you could do this with your kids and your family. So for today, we're going to do a really quick breakfast taco. And I'll list all the prices of the ingredients so you can see the total price. But you usually can make this breakfast taco for $2 or less. And then in restaurants or delis, you're looking at like $5, $6, $7 for this. So for today, we have bacon, we have organic egg, we got cheese, fire roasted tomatoes, and we have a soft taco. And on this side, there's like garlic butter. We're not going to do the other side because the other side we're going to put into that pan over here and let that just crisp. And then we'll flip this butter side over and let that get warm. And then after that's done, we'll add the bacon to the pan. But this is already pre-cooked. And then we'll do the egg in that pan. And then we'll just plate it up all together, build it. But like I said, this taco would usually cost you anywhere from $5 to maybe $7, $8, and you can make this at home for a lot cheaper. So I will meet you at the pan. Alright, YouTube, so we're going to take this taco, like I said. You want to keep the butter side up, put the pan on medium, and just let that warm up. When that warms up a little bit on the bottom, we're going to flip it, because we want the bottom part only warm, and the other one kind of like toasted, so you can enjoy the top, and then you can still have the texture of the bottom. Alright, so like with this series, like I said, I'll show you different things, and I'll put the list in the description and in the video about how much each thing costs. Because if you shop around, you can find a lot of stuff for cheaper, And then you can make this a lot cheaper at your house than going to a restaurant or deli. I want to show you a burger that I can make for $2 or $3 in the future. And I want to show you other things. But like with this taco, like I said, you can make it for $2 or less if you shop around. So this is warming on the bottom. Now flip this over. And you hear that sizzle and see it? Alright, so you can see how this is warming up. Look at that. So you don't want to burn it, just let it go for a couple seconds. And then, yeah, the thing we're going to do now is just remove it. And we'll do the next steps right next. Alright, so the thing we're going to do now is put the bacon in there. Let that warm. And then the thing we're going to do is we're just going to throw that egg in. This bacon is already cooked. So this is already cooked. So the thing to do is just throw your egg in there and scramble it. Alright, so the thing you're going to want to do is just scramble this. It doesn't matter if it's together. Because it's just going to go on the taco. But I can guarantee, like I said, this will taste really good because you're going to have the bacon, the egg, and this is like organic. Then you're going to have the cheese and the fire roasted tomato. So just do that and then we're done. I'll see you at the cutting board to plate it. Alright, YouTube, we are set. We're just going to take this now and place our egg and bacon right on top of there. You can see the smoke and steam. And look at that. That's a pretty good portion for less than $2. So like I said, just shop around and we can make good creations. Alright, so we got that down there. If you want, actually, the thing you could do now is see what I mean. Like, I don't edit this and I bring you it live as it goes. Just throw a little bit of pepper on there. Pepper and eggs go perfect together. So the thing we're going to want to do is now is throw some fire roasted tomatoes on this. And then the last thing is we're going to put some cheese on there. Alright, so the last step, we're going to take this cheese and sprinkle it about, and then we're going to have this taco, like I said, for less than $2. So thanks YouTube for being part of this today. I'm doing this Sunday. You'll see it Monday because I usually upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And like I said, I'll try it once a week to bring you but cheaper. It's meals where you can make things for cheaper at your house than eating it at the restaurant. So thanks for taking this journey. You definitely cannot go wrong with this taco. And like I said, you can make it for $2 or less. See you soon. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube, so that is complete. Your taco for breakfast for $2 or less. Let's start cooking at home and let's learn new recipes.